Guys, hindi sana ako mag-vlog ngayon. Nag-edit ako ng video kanina, yung mga Korea vlogs. 3 videos in-edit ko. Tapos na ako lahat, umuwi sa Dan. And pumunta kami ng Foodland para bumili ng pagkain. So, bumili kami ng chicken. And, paglabas namin ng Foodland, sabi ni Dan, hala, someone hit our car. Sabi ko, huh? Kasi nakita niya yung harap ng car namin. And someone hit our car. Second time this year that someone hit us.
Hello.
What is wrong with this car, my love?
If you're gonna hit us proper so we get a new car. None of this tap stuff like really rave into the car.
Oh my guys, tingnan nyo ang nangyari sa car namin, kawawa. So that's what happened. Dinuct tape na namin siya. Pero tingnan nyo, nag-reverse si kuya, tapos natamaan niya. So meron siyang mga, dito, ano siya, bukas siya dito kanina. So dinuct tape lang namin. Bukas pupunta si Dan sa car repairer. Okay lang kasi ma-insurance naman. Kaya lang yung inconvenience ni Dan kasi pupunta pa siya sa car repair. Tapos once ni-repair tong car na to, kailangan pa niya ng, ano, what do you call that, babe? That car, loan car. Kailangan pa niya ng loan car. Merong natanggal na piece dyan. Nilagay namin sa likod. And alam nyo ba guys, si kuya, he drove off. Hindi niya sana to sasagutin itong kanyang ginawa. Buti na lang may nakakita sa kanya. Meron dong nagbabike na lalaki na nakita siya. And stinap siya kasi nga natamaan yung car namin. And meron ding isang babae na nag-stop din kasi nakita din niya. And ano, naghintay talaga sila na lumabas kami kasi wala naman kami. Doon na nangyari, nasa shop kami. And paglabas namin, sabi ng babae, oh, someone hit your car. Siya yun, yung nasa youth. Yung nasa youth, nagpark na siya. Ano siya guys, where does he work? Like a garden something?
Yeah, he's a landscaper, I think.
Oo, landscaper siya guys. So meron siyang youth, tapos maraming laman na mga garden stuff yung sa likod ng youth niya. And tinamaan niya yung car namin. Nakakaloka talaga. Nakakaloka. Uy, in fairness sa dalawang Good Samaritan,
2 Good Samaritans.
I know, 2 Good Samaritans. They stayed, waited for us, and gave us their number. Sabi nila,
I did the same thing 3-4 weeks ago. Someone hit someone else's car. I stayed, left my details.
ngayon, ginawa nila yung exact same thing na ginawa ni Dan. He went for a run kasi that night. Tapos nakita niya na, ano daw, may aksidente nga nangyari, na reverse. Tapos ano, tapos hinintay niya talaga. Tapos binigay niya yung details niya. Ako yung witness. Yun nga, ginawa ng dalawang Good Samaritan. Kung hindi nila ginawa yun, yung driver na nakasagasa sa, or nakatama ng sasakyan, he will just drive off. And wala, hindi namin alam. Though siguro may mga CCTV naman doon. Pero like, you know, more inconvenience pa yun sa amin. I'm glad that they stayed. Who's been texting me?
I've texted you.
Oh, you have. It's you, my love. Anyway, punta kaming Kmart, guys. Yung plano sana is Foodland, tapos Kmart.
Yeah.
Eh, nag-stop kami sa bahay kasi may nakita kaming crabs sa Foodland. So, stinap lang namin yung crabs. Tsaka yun din, tinape din namin yung car. Nakakaloka si kuya. Sabi ni Dan, ano daw, parang nakainom daw si kuya. Pero buti na lang dito sa Australia, kung may mga ganitong pangyayari, as long as may insurance ka guys, the insurance will take care of it. That's why hindi like sobrang ganun ka-stressful compared sa kung nasa Pilipinas ka. Kasi ma-insurance nga, pero yung insurance naman, wala namang klaro, you know? Yeah, dito, pag sinabing may insurance ka, and as long as may insurance yung isa, ano talaga, yung insurance na bahala. Pero, yung pagpunta sa, yun nga, sa car repair, yun, medyo inconvenient sa side ng namin. Pero, okay lang yan. This is the second time that this happened. The last time was when someone just like drive into us nung nag-stoplight na siya na talaga ang hindi nakatingin. Dinrive niya yung likod namin, so nasira yung likod, pinaayos na. Pangalawa na to sa car na to. Nakakaloka sila na talaga. Bakit? I just do not know why our car?
It's the 3rd time.
Is it the 3rd time?
Do you remember near the Adelaide Oval and I hit that car?
No, it wasn't this car. It was the 86, Toyota 86. Yeah, but that was your fault. So that was different.
I don't think so.
Yes.
Do you remember near the Adelaide Oval and I hit that car? Do you remember near the Adelaide Oval and I hit that car?
Lumabas siya. Lumabas kasi siya. Tapos, ano, sa highway kaya yun. Lumabas siya. Eh, may nakaano pala doon, natamaan. No, that wasn't this car. That was the Toyota 86, yung maliit. Napalitan na namin yun ito. And ito, for this car, it happened twice. That someone hit us.
That's
It's
right.
crazy. Kalmado lang naman kami. Hindi naman kami, anong ginawa mo sa sasakyan namin, bro? Hindi naman ganun. We were just calm. Sabi ko kay Kuya, take care, Kuya. Ikaw na talaga ang tinamaan yung car namin.
Take care, cool, yeah?
I said take care to him.
I don't think so.
I
I gotta go to the wreckers. We gotta pay $500 to get the ball rolling, and then I'll probably be out of a car for a week. So I've got to sort something out there, get a loan car or something. Inconvenience.
I know, that's what I said. It is such a big inconvenience.
I reckon he was drunk. Like it was that. He was, yeah. I reckon he had a few too many drinks.
And the fact that he wanted to drive off,
Exactly. What a scumbag.
that's not nice, Kuya. Not
Exactly.
nice.
So take
I
care,
wish I
Kuya.
didn't.
I agree.
No, it's alright.
No, it's not.
I said it already. You gave him a handshake.
Yeah, just to be polite. I just like build him in the head.
Anyway, we're going to Kmart, guys. We will buy me puzzles. Ay, nako, babe. Ano ba yan, babe? Are you okay, babe?
Yeah, I don't care. It's just a pain in the ass. So I've got to
It is a
sort
pain
out.
in the ass. The last time, nung nahit kami sa likod, we were in the car. As in, ganun talaga kasi may nag-hit sa amin na likod na sobrang lakas. This time, wala kami sa car. And siya na talaga yung tatakbo sana. Nakakaloka ka pala, Kuya. Totoo. Nakakaloka si Kuya. Tatakbo siya. Nakakaloka. If he would have ran away,
We would have been stuck with a bill.
nah, there will be CCTVs. Yeah.
Maybe.
Outside Foodland, yeah.
Yeah, but then you gotta see if they give you the information. They might not give you the information.
What do you mean give the information? If we have his plate number, we
Yeah,
can...
but they might not go, no, we're not going to find it for you, or it's too hard, or no, we don't do that.
Nah, the insurance company will.
What do you think? This is like a detective show? Jesus Christ.
You don't think so? So if someone just hit us and like doesn't stop, we will pay for everything?
Maybe. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
if you don't have the details, yeah, I've done it before. Happened to me before.
So you paid for everything
You
before.
You're going for insurance, but I had to pay the
You know
excess.
what? The universe is like, oh, this guy is used to this. So we'll just keep hitting him.
I am pretty good at handling accidents.
He's so used to accidents, people. Ano ba yan, babe? Yung car natin, babe. Asa na yun? Chinek niya na naman yung harap. Tingnan niyo. Tsaka?
Yeah, it is what it is. Can't do much about it.
Dito na kami sa Kmart. Tingnan niyo to sa reindeer. Nakaharang. Padaan po.
It's not bad.
Yeah. How much is he? How much are you? $45. Dito na kami sa puzzles. Hala, $3 na lang. How many? 100? Ah, that's big.
The 12 Apostles, that's on the way to Great Ocean Road.
Yeah.
Halleck Cove, South Australia. It's a cool one if you live in that area.
$5.
Surfers Paradise, That's-
How about that one?
the Opera House.
500 pieces. Yung meron kami ngayon, kasi bumili kami sa Korea, 108 pieces. Ang bilis ko lang natapos. Natapos ko agad kagabi.
These look nice.
Yeah. The world's most beautiful jigsaw puzzle. Ito guys, 500 pieces, $2 lang. Mura lang ito ha. No, we had something similar. The flip-flops, do you remember?
Okay.
Yeah. Natapos ko na yun agad. Hindi agad, pero tapos ko yun. Ano gusto mo? How about that? Na, tsaka?
Okay.
This. How about, this one.
Maybe.
Ito guys. Ganda, diba? Ooh, that's nice. Here, let me see. I like that. Ooh, that's nice. What's this?
It's gonna be too hard though.
Well, that's alright. It's a challenge. This one's a bit hard as well.
Yeah, that one there you can go by the colours though.
Yeah. Ooh, that's gonna be hard. I like that one.
We'll get two.
Yeah, sige, that one and
Get
this
those
one.
ones too.
Okay. Do you wanna go, do you wanna get a 500 one as well?
Nah, these are 500,
No?
yeah.
Oh, yeah. What's the difference then?
Bigger pieces.
Okay.
This one here is gonna be 46 by 28 centimetres. It's 46 by 61, so this one's got bigger pieces and slightly bigger.
Okay. This one is okay?
Yeah, I can do this alright.
So we'll get two for now?
Yeah, we'll do this.
Hold tayo saglit. Nagpunta kami Foodland, diba? Bumili kami chicken kasi ito yung dinner namin mamaya. And then, bumili din kami ng crabs. Nag-crave ako ng crabs kagabi, guys. Sabi ko, gusto ko ng crabs. Gabing-gabi na to, ha? Sabi ko, saan tayo kukuha ng crabs? And kanina, nagpunta kami sa Foodland. May nakita kaming crabs. So, bumili kami, 5. Nilagay namin sa freezer kasi may expire na siya and hindi pa namin siya lulutuin. Lulutuin na sana siya namin ngayon. Kaya lang sabi ni Dan, gusto mo ba lutuin? Sabi ko na, kapoy. So, ito yung binili namin pang dinner. Bumili din kami nito sa Foodland. Ito yung mga biscuit na gusto ko, guys. Yan, hindi ko alam siya paano siya basahin. Pero 2 ganyan. Bali, same lang siya nung nakasulat. Pero iba-iba. Yeah. Tigda 2. Yan. Masarap to. Flaky. Yummers to, guys. Dinamihan ko na. Sabi ni Dan, damihan mo na. Kasi mabilis ko yung nauubos. Masarap kasi yun. And then sa Coles, bumili kami egg. Kasi para sana sa chili crab may egg kasi yun. Kaya lang hindi namin nahanap yung chili crab sauce. Wala siya sa Coles. Wala din siya sa Woolies. And nung nagtitingin-tingin kami ng mga cake, sabi ko gusto ko to. Kasi parang one time nadala to ni Kat nung nagdala siya ng dessert sa isa sa mga dinner namin. And masarap to, guys. Masarap to. Hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa mga cake pero ngayon nag-crave ako. So, yan. Gusto ko yan. And then, we got bread. Breakfast daw ni Dan bukas. We got chips, yung maninipis na chips. Masarap to. And ito, binili ni Dan. Dadalhin niya daw sa bahay ng mama niya kasi may family dinner kami sa linggo. Banana cake. Na parang meron siyang pa-frosting dyan. Oh. Just got my probiotic drink. Yun lang naman. Wala pa ding laman yung fridge namin. Wala naman sa plano itong pag-grocery namin. Lumabas lang kami para bumili lang talaga ng pang-dinner. Ay, bumili pala ako ng... Where's Mom's jeans bag? Ayun. Bumili ako ng jeans. Nakita ko naka-sale. Kung hindi siya kasya sa akin, bibigay ko siya kay Mama. Binili ko talaga siya para sa akin talaga. Ito, high-waisted kasi siya. From $25, $12 yung nasa tag, pero nung binayaran na namin siya, na-scan siya ng $9 na lang. Very high-waisted. So, gusto ko siyang itry. Size 6 kasi to. And usually, malaki yan sa akin. Pero itry ko. Kung hindi magkasya sa akin, ibigay ko kay Mama. And then, ito nakita ni Dan. Sabi niya, bigay mo kay Papi. So, yan para kay Papi. Naka-sale kasi siya $3. Kapag pumupunta kami ng Kmart, sine-check talaga namin yung mga clothes. Sine-check namin kung merong mga damit para sa Fambamba. And we got the 2 puzzles na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Ito. 2. Mahihirap to, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung natapos namin kagabi, ha. Tinulungan ako ni Dan. Sobrang bilis lang namin siya natapos. Ito siya, guys. Nabili namin to sa Daiso sa Korea. 2,000 won. Maliit. So, mas mahal siya. Babe, this is actually more expensive than the one that we have now. Kmart is selling it for $2. This one's like $2 something. Kasi 2,000 won, mga $2.50 or $3. Ganun. Tapos ano lang to, 108 pieces. Ito, nilabas ko siya kanina kasi sabi ko, while hinihintay ko na matapos yung edit ko, gagawin ko siya. Natapos yung edit ko, hindi ko pa siya nasimulan. Yung ginagawa ko kasi sa puzzle, kapag nilabas ko na sila lahat, sineseparate ko yung mga, yung sa corners, edges, yan. Yung mga ganyan. Yung mga sa dito ba. Ganyan. Tapos doon ako nagsisimula. Yun, yung square. Doon ako nagsisimula. So, ito, mahirap siya na pole yun. 2,000 won siya. Iyan, maliit lang siya. 108 pieces. So, yung binili namin sa Kmart, mas mura, tas 500 pieces pa. What are we doing, my love?
Being old. We're doing puzzles. Like old people do.
We will do this, guys. Ito yung Napoleon. Last night, we finished the other one in less than 30 minutes, actually.
Do you reckon?
Yeah. We did really good. We did that before you went for a run.
I'm not running tonight.
Okay, that's
I got a sore ankle.
But let's do a time lapse, okay?
Okay.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Last piece. Ding, 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 ding. We did it! Yay! Good job. That's it! Good job, Malang!
Good job. Couple of nerds.
Guys, meron pala kami natanggap na package pagdating namin dito galing Korea. Galing to kay Bess from California. Thank you so much. Na-open ko na siya and alam ko na ito yung laman kasi nag-email siya sa akin. Thank you! She sent us... Alam niyo naman na nakabili na kami ng strainer na yung hinahanap ko talaga. Nabili namin siya sa Daiso. But she sent us a strainer. Meron naman kaming strainer. Yung hinahanap ko lang na strainer, yung very fine talaga. Yung napakita ko sa inyo sa haul. Hindi ko pa na-film yung haul. I-film ko siya sa Monday. Pero nakita nyo na kasi una ko siya upload. Yeah, thank you so much. Binigyan niya kami ng strainer. Can you get our strainer, please? I just want to show them that we have a strainer. Meron kaming... No, second drawer, please. Meron kaming strainer. Pero, yung hinahanap ko nga, yung maliit na strainer na nahanap ko na. So, meron kaming strainer. Pero ito, ibang size siya ng strainer. Thank you so much! Galing siyang Good Grips. This is a good brand, babe.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ano, babe? Dishwasher?
That's
This
a
one's
good
clean. I know, it is a good one.
Really good one.
Yeah, that one's actually better than this. Ito wala naman itong brand. Siguro nabili ito ni Dad sa dollar store. Joke lang, wala kami dollar store dito. And then, she also gave us this. Oh, to Simply Raise. Thank you. Ito daw yung whisk na ginagamit niya pag gumagawa siya nung Japanese omelette. So, ito cute. Ito din yung ginagamit sa leche flan. Ang ganda nito. Thank you so much. Sobrang thank you, Bess. Thank you, Bess. Malag. Thank you, Bess.
Thank you, Bess.
Okay, babe. Put that in the dishwasher, please. Thank you very much. Thank you. Tapos na kami mag-dinner, guys. Nakapag-puzzle na din kami. Parang gusto ko pang mag-puzzle, pero alam ko si Dan ayaw na niya. Parang gusto ko pang gawin. Gusto ko siyang simulan. Babe, can I start one?
Up to you, let me do it.
You're not doing it? Are you going to the car repair tomorrow?
Nah, they're not early Tuesday morning first thing.
Tuesday pa yung car repair. Buti na lang, alam nyo ba, buti na lang yung car na-on yung ilaw. Kasi sabi ni Dan kanina, sana mag-on yung ilaw. Kasi kapag hindi nag-on, hindi siya makakadrive sa gabi. Kasi parang very risky naman mag-drive sa gabi na wala kang ilaw. Buti na lang umon yung ilaw. Kasi nasira nga talaga yung ilaw, diba? Nabasag talaga. Buti na lang umuon yung ilaw. Napakalaking inconvenience, pero okay lang yun, wala tayong magawa. Sabi nga nila kanina, it's just a car. Alam mo yun? Kung iisipin mo talaga at the end of the day, it's just a car and meron namang insurance. Yun na yung vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video if you guys liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys. Right?
Focus.
Bukas! Bye, guys! Good night! Be good! Mwah.